So today I'm going to show you guys how to do a transmission drain and fill and how easy it is with a drain pan that's got a plug in it and a Fumoto valve. For transmission fluid, ensure you're using the correct one. Depending on the year, your transmission is going to take either Mercon V or Mercon LV. So just keep that in mind. And as a side note, if your transmission takes Mercon LV, your power steering fluid still takes Mercon V. So if you have LV in your transmission, you need to keep both on hand. And lastly, I recommend doing this with the transmission fluid hot. That way it drains a lot faster and easier, and you'll get a better drain and fill out of it. So let's hop into it. Make sure your car is on a level surface. Pull the dipstick out a little bit. Position your drain pan. Turn the valve, and there she goes. And let it drain for a little while. And we'll see how much we get out. Close our valve. This drain pan. So if I drop this clip, it doesn't fall in the fluid, and reinstall our clip. And that's it. So it looks like we got almost exactly 4 liters out. So that's what we're gonna put back in. The fluid quantity in your transmission, the tolerances for that are pretty tight. So if your transmission fluid level was within the normal operating range before you started the drain and fill, ensure you put exactly in what you took out, because it's a pretty narrow band and you don't wanna be outside of it. More funnel out. Our dipstick back in. And we're done. So as you can see, it's a super painless process. If you have a drain pan with a plug in it and a Fumoto valve, then you can do that about every oil change or longer, but I'm a little neurotic and want to do it more often. Hope this helped. If you have any questions, go ahead and post them down below. Good luck.